Good evening, my family and friends and loyal subscribers to AAZ Slots. We're here at High Winds Casino in Miami, Oklahoma, and we're in front of Crazy Cherry at the Jewel Hunt Edition. It's a 25-cent denom. We're almost there, but we try to enjoy the atmosphere after a long day of work. We had a friend of mine ask me if we like those jewel hunts and are they worth it. And I says, well, that's opinion goes to everybody. Everybody has their own opinion on it. Some people say no, they just attract more, try to let you play it. But hey, everybody has their own opinion on it. But I tell you what, I like enjoying playing it. But he wanted to find out if we could go ahead and play it for him. So this is exactly what we're going to do. And keep in mind that this channel is for your entertainment. If you have a comment that you would like to see a machine that we haven't shown yet, go ahead and put it on the comment section. We usually review it and try to look at area casinos that we go to and see if they have it. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and hit max on this one. And if we do get all Crazy Cherries on the line, that's 10,000 credits. So let's go for it. And in the meantime, let's go ahead and see if we can go ahead and get that last diamond. If not, we're just going to enjoy what we have. Well, we got 40 cents in the machine. It's 25 cents denom. And the bingo card is somewhat hard to see, so we're going to go ahead and I'll tell you if we get anything. But let's try to hit it big for AAZ Slots. It's a silent little baby. Yeah, we got private stripes on that one. Last time I played one of them, it was on Ruby, and it gave me Ruby 7. I don't know if I have it in on a short or not. And my God, I tell you what, that was pretty awesome. It was like $700. So these little ones have a tendency of giving big payouts sometimes. You never know. Even playing one, you could be able to get $100 out of that one. Yeah, we got private stripes again. Guess Crazy Cherry loves AAZ Slots. Oh my gosh, look at that. That would have been 60 credits. Let's try it again. So hopefully everybody's having a good evening. I am finally off of work, relaxing a little bit, enjoying the atmosphere here at one of our many casinos in our area. Keep in mind, we're getting close to 500 subscribers. If you have yet to subscribe to AAZ Slots, hit that subscribe button and watch out for our number 500 celebration. It's in the works. It's going to be a doozy, as we say in my neck of the woods, or in el barrio. Come on, 7-7 Crazy Cherries, come on out. I haven't seen you in a couple spins. There we go. I was inside corners. And we got small diamond. Oh, that would have been real good. Come on there.
Congratulations, partner. This hockey winner, Angel. She just won $50 in cash.
Well, I tell you what, Crazy Cherries just still not seems like not want to cooperate with double AZ slots. So I tell you what, we're gonna go ahead and move on over to another machine, and we're gonna take it in instead of trying to set it up. Let me go ahead and get out that one. Don't forget the cards. So here we go on the music. We're in front of Hot Red Ruby. Now this, she was nice to me earlier. Make sure my player. Oh. There we go. Player cards works. I've seen ask the same questions. A lot of people comment says play with it or play without your player's card. Keep in mind, you on your card from your area casinos, they give you a lot of benefits, either free play or discounts. Me being a vet, of course, you get your veterans discount on your food or hotel stay or whatever. But there's a lot of gifts they can give you. But contact your players club when you check into your area gaming establishment and see what benefits they'll give to you guys. So every casino is different. So it's on a 50-cent denom. I mean, there's the jackpots. Let's try to get all you ladies together and see. Let's hit it big for double AZ slots. Come on, Hot Red Ruby. You just take it all the way down. See, that would have been real nice right there. Oh, that would. See, you're teasing me. You're teasing me. Oh, there you go. Oh, no. Come on, Ruby. Oh, see? One click up. That would have been 2,500 and that would have been 1,250. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Well, let's take it on down. Oh my gosh. Well, I guess a couple more spins. Man, Ruby, what did I do to you? Oh, we got our first hit, small diamond. Well, I'll take you guys all out to dinner if y'all get on the pay line. Ah. Let's bring it on down for the last four. And And last one. Oh, open diamond. I guess Ruby says, don't leave, don't go. Please don't go. Like that song said way back when. And last one. Well, I'll tell you what. Ruby was mad at Double AZ Slots, I imagine. So, well, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up if you would be great for the channel. And also for those of you that has yet to subscribe to Double AZ Slots, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We got a big giant celebration coming up once we hit that 500. So you guys take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you on the next one.